Yo, it's Gucci everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on the channel, and this video is going to be yet again another sneaker unboxing. I do need to slow down with the pickups, but your boy has been kind of just treating himself lately. I think it's just because I have mad time on my hands right now that I just keep looking at stuff to buy, and it's honestly not really working out for my bank account, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the content that I'm bringing out to you guys. But like I said, another unboxing from StockX. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So before we hop into this unboxing from StockX, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe because we've been posting a video every Sunday at noon and then also every Thursday at noon. Your boy's just pushing out mad content, so please go ahead and subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. And then also I want to get this video up to 40 likes and 20 comments, 15 comments. Hopefully we can reach that goal. I love it when you guys comment and let me know what you guys think about this video. But yeah, so 40 likes, 15 comments, and if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to do that because we've been posting every Sunday at noon. Let's just hop into the unboxing. Your boy's been picking up mad stuff lately, so hopefully you guys are enjoying the content like I said. But crazy month for March. I'm trying to get both of those dunks that are releasing March 14th, the orange pair and the blue pair, the Syracuse and Duke. I need to slow down with the pickups, man, but hopefully you guys enjoy this pickup. I'm actually very excited for these. So the box is open. As you guys can see, your boy's been picking up mad Kobe's lately. I need to slow down with the hoop shoes. I don't even have that much time on my hands to be hooping like that with all these hoop shoes that I have. Your boy also has another video coming out. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would probably know what I have to film and all that stuff. But here you guys go, another Kobe box. Let's just hop into it. This fits in here pretty snug and tight. I guess no homo, that's what she said. I don't know what I'm trying to say over here. Alright you guys, so with bflakessupply doing really well, I wanted to treat myself. I wanted to get a pair of hoop shoes that I was really excited to play in, and your boy got the Kobe 5 Protro. There was only one colorway to release in this sneaker, and it sucks because the white, gold, and black colorway with like the split half and half writing got delayed. So hopefully they drop those pretty soon. I really like that colorway as well. And then they also announced a Laker colorway coming out in March. I'm not too sure if that's actually gonna happen, but I'm glad they're still releasing Kobe sneakers, and I hope they keep his legacy going as far as dropping all the shoes and giving the fans kind of what they want, because I love to play in Kobe's and it would just suck to see the line discontinued. But let's just hop into it. What's in here? I'm sorry if I keep talking. This is a StockX card. Marketplace. I don't know. I mean, they teased me with a pair of Travis Scott's. I'd still need a pair of these, so I got thrown off by that. Sorry. So, opening the box, you guys can see it. The Christmas Kobe 5, the Chaos pair. Super excited to play in these. Very, very beautiful colorway. I'm sad I slept on release date, and obviously the prices went up and stuff with the unfortunate event that happened. But your boy is very fortunate enough to be able to afford a pair. And why not treat myself? So cop these Kobe 5 Chaos. Hopefully you guys like what I'm picking up lately. Alright, so here is the Kobe 5 Protro. Let me know what you guys think about this pickup. I couldn't wait for future releases to happen, and out of all the colorways, I like the gold, black, and white colorway, but that never released and it stopped the release date. So and that purple pair that's coming out, I actually don't like that, so I wanted to cop this just because I actually like this colorway out of the three that they've surfaced so far. So paid the pretty penny for these and copped them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Your boy has been going crazy with the Kobe's lately. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Kobe's that I have. So I have the Kobe 4 Protro in the teal colorway, and then the Devin Booker colorway. I believe this was DeMar DeRozan, Devin Booker. Super nice pack to have. I want to complete the set with the purple and the green pair. And your boy obviously, you know, does hoop in his shoes. So there you guys go. And then now added to the collection, I have the Kobe 5. Just a nice little Kobe collection. And before I ended the video, if you guys don't know, I do have a web store, so I am trying to get rid of these Wiznards. They're up for $210 shipped, $200 on the site, $10 shipping I believe, or $12 shipping. But yeah, so there you guys go. I am trying to get rid of this, so if you guys are interested in these, check out the web store, bflakessupply.com. Just because I copped this pair, I didn't feel the need to really have this pair, and on StockX I believe they're going for like $250, so hopefully you guys can save the money. So if you guys want to cop size 10, they're barely hooped in. I hooped in these like twice, so there you guys go. If you guys are interested, link down below, or go ahead and check out whatever was on the screen. Yeah. So that wraps it up for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Added another Kobe to the collection of hoop shoes. I'm super excited to play in these. I've heard great things about them as far as watching shoe reviewers and Nightwing and all that stuff. So let me know what you guys think about the recent pickup. And if you guys enjoyed the unboxing, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Like I said, 40 likes, 15 comments. Hopefully we can do that and reach the goal. Yeah, last video did really well. The H&M video did super well, so thank you guys for that. And before we wrap it up, go ahead and check out Flake Supply, link down below in the description, and I'll put it up right here. Like I said, you have things like these Kobe's for sale, a lot of vintage stuff, and a lot of good stuff. So go ahead and check out my web store, guys. I appreciate y'all for the support. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Peace.